So some Postlab questions. First one, what are the structures of phenolphthalein and methyl orange? Look those up, draw them and show them to your teacher. And then also identify to your teacher what part of each molecule makes it an acid-base indicator. Now things that will be on my data sheet, there are 3 equivalence points because there are 3 neutralizations, right? The sodium hydroxide, the sodium carbonate to hydrogen carbonate, and then the hydrogen carbonate to carbonic acid. Which neutralization do we not show by an indicator? And now look up and see if you can find an indicator that I could use for this titration, for the missing titration, and explain why you can use that indicator for it. What's the mole ratio of the sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate in the mixed solution? So you can use the titration data to get the moles of sodium hydroxide, the sodium carbonate, what's the mole ratio of them? And then finally, I originally made 250 cubic centimeters of the mixed solution. So I took a certain number of grams of sodium hydroxide, certain number of grams of sodium carbonate, dissolved it up and made it up to 250 cubic centimeters. You have the information available to you to be able to calculate how many grams each of these I used.